Hi guys, welcome back to Cooking Delights. And Mark, what episode are we on now?
Lost count. I've been in so many of them.
I think it's 4, isn't it?
What for challenge?
The challenge is 4.
Yeah.
Or is it?
Spicy noodles.
It's third episode.
Noodles, bugs.
You did your
Chip, then one
and
chip.
Yeah, it's a 4th. Yeah, so thank you for clarifying that in the end. So this is episode 4 of our challenge series, and we are doing what, Becky?
sour stuff.
We are doing a sour drink challenge, ranging from less sour to very, very sour.
We're going to eat a
So,
squidgy beans first.
wait a minute. So,
It doesn't look very nice though. No, I'm not even going to say what it looks like.
now don't.
No.
Are you ready?
It's like the portrait on the bottom.
Oh, I can't. I've got sweet in my gut.
Yeah, what you got sweet in your mouth? Put it under your tongue.
Punched it up.
So, I'm ready. Steady, go.
Pardon me.
What's that sour than the?
No. Sour than a lemon.
It's sour than a
Let's
lemon.
taste it once so far.
It tastes nasty. It's got a really horrible taste. I thought it's quite nice.
Okay then, Mark. I need you to do mix up some lemon juice and some toxic waste, please.
I'm going to use this one because
Okay. Are you ready? I don't think it's going to be sour.
It just smells fun.
Ready?
It smells like beer and apple.
Steady. Go.
That's nice. I've got the sweet still. It tastes like a bit of booze. A bit like sours.
yeah. Didn't have my throat though.
It just tastes.
So was that not sour then?
No, a little tight. It's just like a nice sour. It just tastes like I was drinking a sour's shot.
Go on then, shot a drop.
Yeah, go on. She used the same cup. I will.
You're just going to do shot a drop on its own?
Yeah.
I want the apple.
So, what flavour you got, Mark?
Blue raspberry and green apple.
What flavour have you got now?
We've got apple and
Nice.
watermelon.
Watermelon, blue raspberry.
Yours smells like cucumber and this
Apple
smells like
and
toffee for some watermelon.
Okay, ready? Hang on, let me sit back.
That smells nice.
Look at camera. Ready, steady, go.
I bet they're the wrong way. That's nice. It's thick. But it's nice.
What's so with that?
Wow, guys, I think this is very disappointing.
Until
No,
we
it's
do the big
not.
one.
Wait till you get to that.
Okay, so,
Wow.
you need to, what's next on the agenda, Mark?
Um,
We haven't used the warheads yet, have we?
is it here?
I got it. Got it.
Are you ready?
It smells. I don't know. It just smells like lime.
Hold on, I can't get you out all
It
in.
smells sweeter than the last one.
It smells like a lime.
Becca, can't see you.
No?
Ready, steady, go.
Oh, that's nice.
Oh. Nice. Wow, is there anything that's sour yet?
Yeah, but
It's all been sour.
it's
Just,
not like sour.
it's not like you see. It's not like you see in the videos.
You know, you see them all in videos with this stuff and they're like, some people just go like this and they're like, ugh.
Some people have a warhead and then like near enough on the floor.
Yeah, it's not.
No?
I think they overreact a little bit.
They're doing a shot
Mark
of it.
is
We're doing
doing
a shot and you're doing the big one.
The big drink.
the big drink using all the ingredients, so he's just making it up.
Let me scoop out some
Can I
bits
have
for
a
you.
spoon?
Or a bit supple.
Oh, I ain't having one.
Oh, I don't think mine's got any bits in it.
Just scoops away. No, I'm alright.
That's not easy.
You have to scoop.
Do you want the ones with bits or ones without?
Amazing.
Just put some in.
Just share that. Well, there you go.
You both got equal bits in it.
So much is actually in it.
You both got equal bits.
Yeah. I'll
Let them do theirs first.
Okay, ladies first. We'll just Sarah first.
My eye's already gone. I haven't took
Your squidgy's gonna be like,
She's already flipping about, it's alright.
ready?
She's going to be having hyperactive.
So Mark, what's this? What's this? This is everything.
In your belly.
So
This is everything including 5 spoons of malic acid.
ready, steady, go.
Oh.
Oh, maybe.
Malic acid.
You might,
then.
Yeah.
You're going to need some more in there. Just now.
Oh. You can get morning back.
Squishy with us.
You can get morning back.
You know what, now, shall we just go all out?
You can get
Furious
morning.
Pete style.
Furious Pete style.
It's
Oh, have you seen him? He does this and it's like really bad. He puts like half a tub of malic acid in or something.
No, it puts like 5 or 6 tablespoons of it in.
Go on then.
Add some more to yours then.
I am.
And to you.
Don't waste it
It
all.
tastes nice though.
Don't it? Well, if I can get more, so it don't matter.
I'm gonna down this.
It tastes nice.
Okay, then Beck.
You've got all acid at the bottom. You need to mix it.
Use the back of the spoon. Right, little
Use the
spoon.
handle.
I mean,
Bless
there's
you.
none in that.
Use the back of the spoon.
That's the
2.5.
sauce. Use the
Back,
handle.
the handle of the spoon.
I'll let you do yours.
Oh,
See how much you put in.
Yeah, it's mixing up now. Just shot it now.
Go, 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 go.
No, it does have
I use the same spoon.
Oh.
I was just saying mine were that bad because I don't have that much in, did I?
I got that. You're gonna, yeah, you got to do a little bit at the end.
Dribble, dribble. Would you like some lemon to wash it down with, Beck?
Yeah.
There's some, a squall's lying. I have to cut it. At least that,
Watch it. Christ.
at least that ain't as sour as this.
What's the matter there?
Spit it out.
No.
But that's nothing, that lemon compared to that.
For a bit.
So, so what do you think about that, okay? Was that sour?
It made me dribble. Tastes nice, though, don't it?
I'll finish with the lemon.
Rather you than me.
What?
Just
Big
think.
one.
You're cooking shots.
Yeah, just imagine it's a shot of
Sours.
whiskey or something.
Good. Okay, so Nathan, how many did you eventually put into your drink?
2.5.
2.5 what?
Tablespoon.
Tablespoons.
Yeah, so on top of 5 teaspoons, we've got 2.5 tablespoons.
Each.
I would do it, but I can't drink anything that big.
I can't
that quick.
either. That's why I did the shot.
Do another shot then.
Feel like it was. So. The nurse has gone.
I'm just cracking.
Selfie, don't that?
So this stuck to my teeth. Like,
Just to do
look
it.
like this. It's like, wow.
So, how are we going to do this?
Neck it
I think I think you should stand side by side.
and neck it. Hi. And stuff like this.
Goodbye the fence. Goodbye the fence.
Stuck like this.
Next to each other. Come over here. Right next to each other. Right.
Where you down?
Hold on.
Now I'm gonna move in case you start spitting at
Yeah, I
me.
would.
So hurling it out.
Yeah.
Yeah, I would move.
Storm.
If you're
Hold on.
sick, please sit somewhere somewhere decent.
Storm,
I've
I don't think you'll be able to sit there, mate, in a minute. Just in case it's going to be hurlage.
There are a little sticky in the back of your throat. It opens up your throat.
Are you ready?
I guess.
3, 2, 1, go. No. What?
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Nathan, come back here.
Let me have a sip.
Right there, come back over here then, Beck.
I'll have a sip of nice.
Come on, in shot.
Well, you've
I'm
only
not
got a
drinking
face
it
on me.
all.
Just have a sip.
Does look sick though, eh?
It does.
It's like I've just. It's like it just folded up in my mouth.
Nasty.
I was sick of that.
Beck, give me the air.
Taste it.
Give me the
Hold
air.
on. Oh, it's Mark. See, hold on before you swig it. Mark was offered the noodles, wasn't he, Mark? And you never took up the offer. So now there's extra this left. So you're going to take up the offer. Move this way.
Yep.
Yeah. Are you ready? Steady. Go.
Off that.
So what's in your beard?
Why are we still here? Just to suffer. Every night.
Please not puke.
Oh.
And
That is the serious thing I've ever had.
It's nice. It's nice, but it tastes. No, it's nice, but it feels like I've got sandpaper teeth.
Right, where's my water?
So I've got a suction cup.
hey, conclusion, Sarah. Which one was the least and which one was the most?
Least sour patch, most was and malic acid.
What do you think of malic acid?
It's sour. It tastes nice, but it kind of burns your tongue, and then after your water tastes like your pop, even though it's water.
Okay.
It's mad.
Nathan? What did you think of the drink at the end?
Tastes like sick, bitty, nasty, makes your teeth all windy, sour.
Did you like it then?
No.
From 10's the worst, 0's okay. What was it? 10 worst, 0 okay.
10 for malic acid, that gin control just nasty, it's 10.
10.
10
Okay. Becky?
I feel like I've got fur in my mouth. Got mouth like a fur boot.
She's got a mouth. What did you think?
The air tastes sweet. When I go, it smells like smell. I mean, it tastes like I'm breathing in like candy floss or sugar. Yeah.
Or when you open a bag of icing sugar and you breathe it in. Yeah.
It's nice. Very sour. And I think it's like going.
That's what's doing it a little bit.
And the hero of the era, Mark.
That has to be the worst challenge I've done so far.
Why?
One, it's messing with my stomach already. Two, my mouth just feels like I've had sandpaper through it. Three, my teeth feel like I've just.
Mine feel like fur.
It feels like.
Feels like I've got
It
green
kind of feels
mold
like
on my teeth.
when they've been chipped and they're all rough,
Yeah.
but that all over.
It feels like you've got green mouldy stuff on your teeth.
The back of my throat as well. Ugh.
So, 10
It
being.
feels like I've been sick.
Yeah.
That's what mine feels like.
So, naught has been. That's nothing. 10 being the worst. Where was that on the scale?
Well, all of them were basically naught for me until the big drink.
And what do you class that as?
That's like a 20.
A 20! Christ! Bloody hell.
Well, considering how much of it I downed, you can understand.
Okay then, right. So, would you say that the challenge was a success? Guys?
It was a challenge,
At
yeah.
first, no, until we got to the yeah.
Right there. Okay guys, that was our challenge today of our sour drinks. I hope you enjoyed our episode and we'll see you next one. Everybody give it a wave. Say bye.